Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you something that you can do to help strengthen your finger after having it dislocated. Now, I got several videos on this channel. I'm sure they'll pop up maybe after this video, but talking about my dislocated finger that I got several years ago now. It's been at least maybe 7 years, 6, 7 years. It's been a while. And I had a really bad dislocation. And right now you can see this is the finger today. Hold on, you see it, right? And you see it's still crooked. But let me tell you something. You can watch my other videos. When I first had this done, my finger was like this for like months. It was like this. I cannot extend it. And now it used to be like this, like that. And now it's just like this. And there's no real pain in it. So I know you might be like, damn, it's still crooked, but it was a lot worse. And I went to a specialist and he was like, yeah, I could do a surgery, but all it's gonna do is make it just a hair straighter. And he was like, I don't even know if it's worth it for you to do that. So I'm like, okay, it's all good because it don't really hurt. Yeah, it's still crooked, but there's several things that I did to get it from this all the way back out there, right? Because it used to be like this, guys, seriously. And one thing, when I did have to go to physical therapy, physical therapy for a few sessions. I only went, I think, like maybe 4 times, maybe. And one thing that the therapist gave me and made me do there was using this putty, right? I'll put a link, I'll find this something similar on Amazon. I'll link it below. You already know the deal. You could check it out. I remember last time, I think I called it Play-Doh or something in a video. Somebody commented like, really? Like it's not Play-Doh, dummy. But whatever, putty, whatever, you know what it is. So one method that the lady made me do, this was after like a week or 2 after my finger was dislocated and it started, the swelling started going down. This exercise is something you could do to help strengthen your finger, to help get it back, to help get flexibility back into your finger. This is what you need to do. All right, so you got this putty, whatever. And I'm gonna do this live, right? No cuts, so this video might be an hour long. So what you wanna do is, this is what she had me do. You take some change, right? I got some pennies, right? Just got like, I can't hold them up. Damn. So I just got some change, right? And I guess you could use anything, but I would just use change. Grab a couple pennies. You could even grab a couple quarters if you want, nickel, whatever, just some change. And I'm gonna start with just 3. I got 3 pennies, right? I think these pennies. Yeah. Okay. So you got your putty, right? So what you want to do is you take your change and you stick the pennies or whatever, dimes, nickels, whatever you're using, you stick it in here in different locations, right? See that? Stick it in, right? Boom. You stick it in randomly, right? I hear it popping. All right, so now they're in there, okay? Boom. Oh, I shouldn't have did this like this. Oh, it is what it is. So now you can see some of it still in, you can see it, but the 3 coins is in the putty, right? So now my job is, and it'll be your job, is to get the coins out only using this hand, right? So you can't use this hand. You can only do it by using, and you want to actually try to use your bad finger to like help you get this out. This helps strengthen the hand. So now what you're doing is you want to take it one at a time. So you just go through and you try to find the coins, right? So it really don't even matter what finger hurt. You know what I'm saying? Mine was the baby one, obviously. So you just want to kind of use this and you want to find each coin, right? So you can only use this hand, and you don't want to drop the putty. I can't even talk. So 1 coin right here, boom. I got 1. I'm gonna drop it. Boom, you hear 1. I got 1 out. So now You're just doing this. So you just, you know what I'm saying? The baby finger working a little bit. Obviously, my whole hand working. But see how when I got to maneuver this to try to find a coin, you know, you get to the point where you're like, dang. So you working the whole hand. So I feel another coin. Told you I'm doing this live. I ain't playing with y'all. All right, oh, I got another one coming out. This got actual stuff on it. Drop it. Boom, that drop. You couldn't hear. Okay, so it's crunch time, baby. We got one left. One coin in here. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. Yeah, bam. And it's done. Bang. All right. So, oh wait, it's something else. I must have had another coin in here from doing this before. Look at this. And another. Man, I actually had coins in here before. I ain't doing this all day. So I got 4 out, right? I only put 3 in. 4 came out, and I think there's another one, all right? But you guys see the point. You see what I'm doing? Even my baby finger working. Sometimes the baby finger wasn't even doing that much, but it's still, this is a great way to strengthen your hand, your bad finger, all the other fingers, your hand, whatever. I mean, if you want, you can put, you know, 5 coins in there or put marbles in there or whatever, right? So, boom. Guys, that is a great exercise to help strengthen your hand and your dislocated finger. I would do this, you know, once a day, you know, 3-4 times a week if you can. I know it can get boring, but what you can do is, maybe if you bored and you online, you watching YouTube or something, you could be on, you know, trying to get the coins out. If you're watching TV or whatever, you could just have your little putty, whatever, stick some coins in there and just try to get all the coins out. That's it. And if you notice, look at my hand without the putty in it, right? You see how it's moving? Think about that. Boom. This finger got to be working. This shit look weird, don't it? I got to stop. I got to stop it. All right, but guys, this is another cool way to help heal your dislocated finger. Comment below. Let me know if you tried this. Let me know if you're gonna try it. It really do help, guys. All right. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I know it was pretty exciting, right? Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.